What's the meaning of basalt? Basalt. Basalt.
Basalt. Basalt. Basalt is a common type of igneous rock that is formed from the rapid cooling of lava. It is typically dark in color and has a fine-grained texture. The word basalt comes from the Latin word basanite, which means very hard stone. Basalt is often used as a construction material, as it is durable and can withstand extreme temperatures. It is also used for decorative purposes, such as in sculptures and landscaping. Basalt is found all over the world, with particularly large deposits in places such as Iceland, India, and the Pacific Northwest region of the United States.